Jua hii virusi ni lazima inapelekwa lab. Lazima inapelekwa lab. Hiyo sample hiyo sample yako ikishukuliwa, si unaweka kitu kwa kwa mapua. It's a nice thing, it's a good experience. You should. I don't want to discourage you. So yeah, hiyo kitu ufanye hiyo kitu, basi hiyo sample inapelekwa kwa kilo, ndio anasema kama wewe uko positive ama uko negative, with a whole scientist that are led between him, Dr. Mamo na wale wengine. Alafu Nandiri, Dr. Nandiri ndio mkuu wa nurses katika hii nchi yetu ya Kenya. Vile vile mnajua Kas Mwangangi yuko hapo, Masi Mwangangi mnamuona kwa runinga, si ndio? Sasa iko hapa live. Haya, please proceed.
We've seen in the social media what has been trending about Robert Burale, and I wanted to ask if this guy, because some of the Kenyans have been saying that this guy has been paid to act. So my question is he an imposter? Please, you can clear on that. Then my third question, why is it that Mombasa has the highest rate of fatality?
There is a question about somebody called Robert Murathe, who, Now, me, I never heard of this guy. You are saying he has been paid by who? I don't know who is supposed to have paid him. I don't know what he is doing. What is he doing? So my friend, when it comes to issues like rumors and so on, all over the place, if I were to respond to every rumor, I would be very, very busy. So I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know about this Robert guy, and I don't know who would have paid him and why he would be pretending. If you are not sick, why would you pretend that you are sick? The guy is probably sick, but you have decided that he is not. So let me leave that one out.